In this video, I will show you how to create Facebook single name ID or how to make FB single name. After watch this video, you can create Facebook one name account. Open Facebook app, tap on profile icon, click on three dot, tap on create another profile, create on get start, type your Facebook single name ID. Now upload your Facebook profile picture and add Facebook cover photo. Now see your one name Facebook account successfully created. If you want to create Facebook single name on your existing Facebook account, first go to Play Store and download VPN Indonesia and connect it on your phone. Then open Facebook app, tap on profile icon, click on setting and privacy, go to setting, see more in account center, go to your profile, tap on name. Now remove your middle and last name. Just tap on space button on last name. Now click on review change.